Look at that, nice truck. That's a really nice truck there. I love that truck. Denali HD. Hey, who owns that truck? Do you know who owns that truck? That's a nice truck. Why is he just parked here now? Why is this guy just parked here? That's a really nice truck. Where's he going? He can't make up his mind. What's he gonna do?
Watch that car. Hey!
He doesn't know what the hell he's doing. Look at how disgusting. Oh, you know what he's gonna do? He better not do what I think he's gonna do.
That's exactly what he's gonna do.
No, he's not. I'm holding my breath. What's this guy gonna do, man? What are you doing? Huh? What are you gonna do? What the hell are you doing? What's he gonna do, huh? See ya, fag. See you later, guys. Where you guys going? Out to lunch?
Okay. Pick up the car.
Yeah, have fun.
Race truck.
Yeah. Smart ass. Dick. Yo.